A warm welcome to all. I am Bhavika. I read in class 10 of Government Senior Secondary Smart School, PAU Ludhiana. Today I am here to represent my model on the topic organic chicken farming. So let's get started. Billions of chicks are raised throughout the world as a good source of food from their eggs and meat. Organic chicken farming is really effective if it is done with maintenance. So, for main purpose, you should have a large roaming space for the chickens to roam around. For serving an organic chicken, you should have a plenty supply of water. For that, I have made a DIY water refiller. It is DIY. I'll show you how it works. When we take out some water or the chicks just drink the water themselves and the water level decreases, it refills by itself by the help of a hole in the water bottle which I have made. Organic chickens to be nutritious and healthy, you should have a good supply of food too. The food should be highly nutritious and rich in nutrients and vitamins to help them grow organically. So you can see I have made an DIY food dispenser also to help the maintenance, and it has many pulses which are highly nutritious. Chickens love greenery. They love plants and everything green they like. So in the farm you are holding, you should have a good amount of plants that you can place. So you can see that I have placed many shrubs and herbs and flowers on this side and same on that side too. Coming to the shelter house, the shed you should be good enough to hold the amount of chickens that you are having. So you can see that I have built up a big shed according to the number of chickens I am having. The shed is a main thing that they require. Why? Because it protects them from many seasons and rainy season mainly. You can see that I have let a space in the roof to be transparent so that the natural sunlight or daylight in the atmosphere can enter through this part into the shed. For your shed to be airy and nice, you should have a good ventilation system. It is really important for your shed to have a good ventilation system. Otherwise, your hens or the organic chickens you are serving would get suffocated in the summer season with hot dry winds and they might die. You can see that inside the shed I have placed a little amount of diatomaceous earth. It helps them to remove the lice, bacteria and anything roaming on their body, and they love to take bath in diatomaceous earth. Next to it you can see that there is a cupboard which contains nest made up by the chickens. This is a place where they can lay their eggs. Inside also you can see that I have placed some more cabinets containing the same nutritious pulses I had earlier. Coming to the main point, your organic farm must have the first aid facility for your chickens. If your chicken gets injured accidentally, you should have the first aid facility in your farm. In the shed next to it, you can see that there is a little room connected to it. What's the use of this room? This is an extra space where they can lay their eggs efficiently. The main purpose of me making this model is to showcase how we can invest less in it and gain more profit in short period of time. Profit earned by it can be really high and it can just overcome the investment in a short span of time. So this was my model. I hope you liked it. Thank you and have a nice day.